Alright guys, on today's episode I'm going to show you guys how to restore your black faded paint. This may also work for other paints, but we're going to focus on the fact that this paint is also black, one of the hardest colors to take care of. So I'm going to show you guys some techniques. We're going to do some tests today. We're going to do some trickery. Because I'm suspicious that detailing companies don't want you to know what I'm about to uncover today. We're going to try some very unconventional cleaners on this black paint to bring it back to its former glory. Here we have our mirage of paint. Right here we're going to leave this faded. And then here we're going to use wax just to see how that does. So we have a basis. This is a very scientific test, right? So we want to set like the standard. We know what it looks like here, and we know what the industry wants us to use. But we're going to go and test some unconventional things, but we need that baseline. So we have wax here, compound here. We have interior cleaner here. We're going to use degreaser here, rust penetrant, PB blaster. We're going to use goo off, shoe polish, tire shine, and back to black because the car is black. So let's go through and let's start throwing chemicals on this paint. So we're gonna leave the camera here for the rest of this video for the most part, so that way the camera doesn't move and the image is still. I'm not working on this alone. It's very dangerous to do scientific tests by yourself. So we have the booth here. Hi, booth. Let's go ahead and shine some light so you guys can see exactly what the paint looks like. So it's pretty damn faded everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty nasty, huh? Oh, let me lean over here. Gotta be careful just in case I run the paint even more. Don't want to get my hands all over it. Alright, we're gonna try some wax. This is from Chemical Guys. It's Insta Wax. It's a Carnauba wax and sealant. Carnauba sounds like a scam. So we're gonna just spray it here. This isn't like your normal spray wax though. This does a haze on here, so it's a little more aggressive than a normal spray wax, but not as aggressive as a wax. Isn't very aggressive. At least that's what the detailing companies want us to think. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it like they want us to. We're gonna uncover them for all their lies. And we're gonna just let it haze for a second, like they want us to. All right, I brought the camera angle a little lower so you guys can see me. Let's go ahead and wipe this off. That's terrible, 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 terrible. Oh, let me remind you guys, you want to start with a clean surface no matter what you're doing. We made sure to clean this off really good with some dish soap. Terrible, it looks even worse. To the next one. Oh! So we've already debunked one corporate scam. Let's move on to a bigger corporation, MEGUIARS. We're going to see how much of liars they are with this compound. It says right here, will restore paint. No, it doesn't. Oxidation, this has the word oxidation. Maybe they're implying it actually oxidizes. They never imply that it removes oxidation. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's spread the oxidation more evenly. I don't think it's doing what we want. Let's move on to the next one. Alright. We've got another MEGUIAR product here. Interior cleaner. For all we know, their automation engineers have been filling the wrong bottle in the wrong product, and this is what fixes it. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try this. This feels so dirty doing this. Alright, we applied it. Let's wipe off the excess. It seems like the trick here is to leave it on and not wipe it off. It does smell good though, I'll give them that. Alright, so right here we got PB Blaster. This is a rust penetrant. If it can penetrate rust, which is iron and oxygen, then it should penetrate oxidation, because oxidation is just oxygen. Duh! Let's try it. Oh yeah, what did I say about that? Alright, we're gonna try some degreaser here. Oh, come on. Alright, purple power degreaser. Inconclusive. Okay. Degreaser. I don't think that one's gonna work. Alright, let's try the goo on next. Goo off. Goo gone. Alright. Come on. Ugh. Oh, that sprays out aggressively. Kind of scares me a little bit. That is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Goo gone. Alright. Now we want to make sure we're using a new towel. So I'm going to grab a new one so we're not spreading the goo on there because that worked pretty good. So here I've got some shoe polish for black shoes. Now if you have a white car and this works, you can also get the white shoe polish. So let's try it. Oh, that's pretty fluidy. Okay, alright. We probably want to get a towel to apply this. So let me go grab a towel, be right back. Oh god, oh god! Stay. Alright, I got a towel. Now this one. Alright. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see, back to black or tire shine. Let's go tire shine. It smells like grapes. I like this one. Wow, look at that, guys. Clear coat restored. Holy crap. Oh, it's pulling stuff off. Okay. Must be all that oxidation that's pulling off. Alright, last one to apply, and then we're going to peel the tape off. Back to black from Mother's. Ooh, paint does not want to accept it. Accept it. What am I doing? I'm the second owner of this car. I bought it from the original owner. Where did my life go wrong? One owner, clean title, California car. Bone stock in 2016. And here we are now. Putting back to black on the paint. Alright, so we got them all on the car. Looking at it, my highest hopes are for tire shine and goo off, really. Yeah, I think tire shine is going to be the winner here, guys. So let's go ahead and peel off the tape and see the differences between all the spots. Alright, before we peel the tape off, let's shine the light over it. So yeah, wax looks like it did nothing. Compound kind of did nothing. Interior cleaner also did nothing. PE blaster just kind of smeared everything around. Degreaser kind of did nothing. Tire shine I had a lot of hope for, but looks like it did nothing. Goo off is promising. What the hell's going on with back to black? Back to black looks like it's oxidized, but now glossy oxidation, so that's weird. And then I think tire shine is going to be the winner here, guys. Well, I mean, it's meant to clean black tires. I mean, why wouldn't it clean a black hood? Yeah. So let's go ahead and peel the tape off. Oh, I forgot the tape. Oh, that was not grandiose. This is very fascinating. I might get a Nobel Peace Prize for this. I'll be the savior. Car meets and car shows. Manufacturers will hire me to do their R&D. Alright guys, here it is. So we can see here what it used to look like, and then after applying some material to it. So goo off did kind of good, but it's not consistent. See that? Yeah, it's not going to last. This tire shine though, oh yeah, look at that. This blends right back in. See, my finger mark's already gone, seeped back into it. I had hopes for back to black, but like, it soaked it all into the paint. Wasn't expecting that to happen with the back to black. I can't remember what was here. I'll have to look at the video. Very, very uneventful. Looks like it almost made it worse here and here. Wax is a scam, as we've proven today. Over here, compound, also scam, proven today. Interior cleaner, not as much of a scam because it smelled really good actually, so we'll accept it. The PV blaster is just messy, would not suggest 1 out of 10 rating there. It looks like tire shine is the secret, guys. Tire shine is the trick to get your paint looking good. So if you got any car shows coming up, car meets, you gotta flex, you gotta go to the Instagram, coat your paint in tire shine. That seems to be the solution. Now, we haven't tested if this is a short-term solution or long-term, so let's try to wash it off, try to simulate rain and car washes and stuff and see what happens. So, tire shine first. I mean, that one seems to work the best. I was using some waterless wash I made myself. Dish soap. Alright, let's try it off now. Alright, let's see, what do we got here? It seems like, after multiple washes, that, looking at it, tasting it, listening to the paint, that the tape actually did a better job at making this hood blacker than any of these chemicals here. Whoa, car agrees. But there's one final judge to this test. Let's ask him. Boof, what do you think? How's it look? How's the paint look? You're unimpressed. What? What do you think? The tire shine? Your tail's wagging. Tire shine good? Yeah, tire shine's good. Tire shine's the winner, guys. What about adhesive? What do you think about the adhesive, Presley? No? Don't even care? Yeah, he doesn't care. Alright guys, there you have it. That's what happens when you put this mirage of chemicals on your paint. Absolutely nothing really. I was really hoping for some aggressive answers. Actually, you see the compound here is still kind of a little more reflective than the rest of it, and the tire shine area is completely gone. Compound actually seems to be the answer here, which kind of makes sense. So if you guys couldn't catch on by this point, this video is totally a joke. This is not actually how to restore your paint. This paint is so long gone, it's just, there's no way to restore it. The only way to restore it is to repaint it. Clear coat's completely gone. So with that said, this video is not to be taken serious. That's your disclaimer. If you try any of these on your paint, you're probably going to harm it actually. So if you do that, that's your fault. But I kind of want to do this just for an entertaining video. And the paint so far gone, like I said, we're actually vinyl wrapping it tomorrow, and there'll be another video. So it's gonna be covered up anyway. I'm actually gonna clean it up and get it prepped for vinyl wrap. If any of you guys are wondering how my paint got this bad, is really 2 years ago where I did about 20 track events in between drifting and track racing. And I was so busy just doing event after event on the weekends. I didn't really do any detailing. I don't think I didn't even put any wax on the car, like maybe like spray wax occasionally, but I never clay barred it, polished it, and put heavy wax in the car. And with the 350Z, there's no heat insulation. You know that like cloth stuff they put on the inside of the hood? There's none of that, so that heat directly transfers to this hood. And that heat kept baking and baking and baking the hood, and that just made the clear coat fail. On top of being a black car, so the sun's also doing it to the car. So that's really what happened here. So if you want your hood to look like this, make sure you take care of your paint. If you're in northern Utah, I would suggest Dave's Mobile Wash and Detail. He did my car, buffed it, made it look absolutely amazing. I have a video on that showing his process, and like I said, if you're in northern Utah, he's the guy to go to. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a laugh out of it, got a kick out of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.